Today I'm going to show you how to beat Kearush the Slayer, and I'm using a Bow of the Dead King mostly for this battle. And you're going to be able to get a couple hits on him right away. So his main attack, it's a 3 attack with his fists, and then he does a swipe attack like that, but usually in segments of 3. And then after he does that, you can get a couple hits in him, especially when he raises his hands. There's an opening to get a little hit on him. And so right away I got that phase 1 down pretty quick. And this one, there's 3 phases to this boss. And so once we get past that first phase, then he's going to do a couple different moves on you. And let's get right into the second phase here. Again, you can he's going to do that little jump body slam, and you can just roll right through that, get a couple hits in, and then roll around, and then he's kind of slow, so you can just kind of back up. And then when he raises his fist, that's time when you can jump, and then he does a body slam off the floor, and you can just back up from it and then get a couple hits on him, because he'll be kind of stunned once he lands on the ground. And then that took care of the second phase. And then here we go, the third phase. He starts to get a little bit more aggressive, which is very common for the enemies in this game. Whenever they have more than one phase, is they usually get a little bit more aggressive in the subsequent phase. But here he goes, he does these quick slam attacks, and then once he hits the ground, just go in for a couple of power attacks. And try to dodge as much as possible. I got stuck in the corner here, so I had to heal up a bit and run around. And then here we go. He's going to come at me again. And he tried to do that little body jump slam on me. Just go to the other. Oh, I missed it, but it didn't do too much damage to me, even though I flew. Here it goes. He's trying to swing at me. Just kind of move around, and then there you go. Some heavy attacks, and he is down. So not a terribly difficult one to beat, but if you're watching this video, that means you're probably having a little bit of trouble. So hopefully some of these tips help you to beat him. Let me know in the comments. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.